do like health-wise, I've been, you just kind of, good morning, happy Wednesday. I am going to be making a smoothie for breakfast. I haven't had a smoothie in a long time. I find that people trick smoothies into being healthier than they are. Although it's a whole food and it's nice, it can be higher on calories. And there's this thing where like if you eat a banana, it's a certain amount of calories, and then if you blend and drink a banana, it's much more. Your body isn't like getting triggered to process it as well because when you don't chew as much, something like that. So it can be high in just like sugars and calories, but it is a delicious food, whole foods, and then just like fruit. It's still good for you. It's natural sugars, so it's all right. Yeah, I don't try not to go like overboard with the smoothies. Instead, I just like eat a banana. I'm feeling like one today. So I think I'm gonna make like a strawberry banana smoothie, which is just delicious. All right, let's get my blender. Oh, mama. I hate how I'm backlit in the kitchen and I like need to put my light on as soon as I walk in. Let's get this party started. I'm just gonna use the little blender bottle style one because I don't need it the whole big thing. All right, so I literally have some strawberries that I purchased and then cut up because I was leaving. They were gonna go bad in the fridge before I left, so there's that. And I did the same with bananas. One banana and a handful of straws. I like my base to be coconut water. I always have. I could add some hydration, some nutrients. Let's do like 8 ounces. I'm gonna add a tiny scoop of vanilla yogurt to make it creamy and kind of beef it up to be like a meal. Let's just do like a scoop. A little bit of chia seeds. Alrighty. So I've been on this health journey lately. My weight has deviated, like I said, and I am trying to lose a little bit of weight. And instead of doing a video a couple months from now and being like, how I lost blank pounds, hopefully, and telling you about it, I thought I would bring you along the process every day because it's like an everyday thing to focus on your health and actively try to lose weight. So diet, workout, self-care, I'm gonna take you along day by day. Things I do, healthy breakfasts, tracking my food. Oh my gosh, Dan's funny. But like I figured let's do it together because it's freaking hard to do. And it's not like a here, do this. I think it's like a thing we could follow together. So let's do it. Hello guys, it's been a little bit. I've been working all day and now, usually around 7 o'clock, sometimes a little bit later, Brooks will kind of give me the I'm hungry vibes, so it's time to feed him. I got his little bowls, by the way, on Amazon. They're actually cat bowls, so my friend got them for her cats. I bought them because they needed to be like higher up for his body. Now he is giving me the eyes. This is where we keep it. This is from Crate and Barrel. We do a little scoop of dry kibble, either chicken or peas or sometimes both. Right now he's been feeling a little bit heavy, so we're doing a lot of vegetables. So I do a good amount of peas. And there's his dinner. Brooks, are you hungry? Look at that little tongue. Are you hungry? Look at the tongue. Okay, stay. Okay. Good boy. He'll eat that in probably like 30 seconds. All right, so for the past couple weeks, I've been doing really good. Health-wise, I've been working out a bunch of times a week, feeling really great. This week, I haven't really done anything. I haven't gone working out, which I was on a roll of like many days a week, and now it's Thursday, and I haven't worked out since Monday. And yesterday we had pizza. The day before I went out to eat with my friend, I had Italian pizza and pasta. And then today, since we had leftover pizza, I ate a slice of pizza. So I'm just like, ugh. I'm getting knocked down a little bit a few days in a row. That doesn't mean that everything is gone to shit. Like, it's fine if you have like a bad day or a few days or even whatever. But I'm hoping to get myself back on track. It's tough when you live with someone else or you eat together, or you have a family or something, like me and Dan eat together. So I don't like to always force him into eating something that's like calorie restrictive if he doesn't want it. So yeah, usually I leave my dinners to be my big fat meal, and during the day I'll eat like much more moderately. I don't get as hungry during the day, and I'm quite hungry at night. So today that wasn't the case. I had pizza for breakfast / lunch, but it's all right. We're gonna go to the gym tonight. I'm gonna get a good sweat on, hopefully, and we'll see what we order for dinner when Dan comes home. But today has just been whatevs. I feel like I struggle because I love filming. I love making these videos, but my life lately has been very mundane in the way that like I work on the computer while I'm here in my apartment every day. I do the same things over and over again, and it's seeming like I'm filming the same thing every day. I'm filming from the same places every day, like this corner of my apartment. But honestly, that's real life. Life is what is going on in between the really highs and the really lows. Like, it's the mundane everyday that you just need to make nice and enjoy and make it as good as possible. So it's the little things every day that I enjoy, but it's not always that interesting to film. So it is what it is. So we'll see. I'm gonna film the same old thing, and then that's what it is. I started this freaking puzzle over the weekend. I think I literally got it at the dollar store when I was home. I love puzzles. I think they're really fun and a good way for me to like stay off my phone at night, and I need like mental stimulation. I'm like that, so I like puzzles. Anyway, I started this on Sunday and I haven't been able to do it all week, and it's just been sitting here and it's really annoying, but I haven't had the time to finish it, and something in my brain is just like not allowing me to pack it up and put it away. Like, I need to finish it and then I'll pack it up and put it away, but I literally haven't had time. When you live in a small place and you don't have, like, this is our one table. I work here, we eat here, we do everything here. So like, this puzzle can't be taking up our whole freaking living space. I don't know. It's just like, oh, I just have to do it. Hopefully tonight I'll just do it. But it's getting touchy. It needs to go. The pizza in question. Marinara. Marinara pizza is one of our favorites here. It's so good. People always talk about like Ruby Rosa, and they have a really good pizza that is pesto, vodka sauce, and marinara. And people love it there. We went there once and I wasn't really like fine. I was like, this kind of sucked. I don't know. Maybe it was the situation, because it was like we were in a cramped little table. I was just like not feeling it. But I didn't think the pizza was that, I didn't think the food was amazing. As amazing as everybody says. But we order marinara and we get it delivered. But they have a few in the city. I think they have like 2 or 3. We get their, am I Canadian? We get their MVP pizza, which is pesto, vodka. Actually, I have a piece left. Let me show you. I've talked about it before, but pesto, vodka sauce, and marinara. Oh, someone's calling me. Oh, look at that. Me and Dan were 16 here. Hello? It's so dark in here. Lovely. I am obsessed with our couch, but I know that people have qualms with it, and I get it, because they are down feathers, so the more you sit on them, the flattened out it gets, and so you have to fluff it. But look at the difference between this fluffed cushion that I just did in like 5 seconds, and like these flat as a pancake cushions. What do you think? Brooks can't hop up, so we put his little bed here, because he cannot hop up and down without it, or he can, but it's a little like stressful, so this is just a nicer spot. We move it like from here to there when he's on the couch, but look at the difference between the fluffed and the not fluffed, and it really only takes like a few seconds. Let me show you how I do the other one. You pick it up and you just kind of hit it on the ground. And look at that. Boom. And here's the after. Super cozy. I feel like I need another lamp in here. New York apartment lighting is honestly my #1 qualm with living in New York. Everything else I can deal with, but the lighting Drives me crazy. We have these big, beautiful windows, so we get lighting during the day. It's nice, but at night, it's just like dim. Like this, we put up ourselves, but it's one, like otherwise, this is just a slab of concrete. You don't get any lighting in the living room. In the kitchen area, we have one overhead light, and it looks like this, and it literally gives off the lamest yellowy just bowl light. I hate it. This light is nice and bright, but I wish we had this little level of like LED hi-hat vibes on top, but you just don't get that. In the hallway, we actually have these hi-hats, these like can lights that I would just die for to have all here. My parents are obsessed with these. They put them in every house that they've ever had, bought, whatever. So I've always been obsessed with these types of lights. And it's so nice and bright in here and in here, but only get these lights in the hallway because over there it's just concrete. It's really annoying. By the way, I'm wearing this headband today and it's from Amazon. So I will link it. Very cute. Oh, I forgot I did a load of laundry. Boring things, boring things. All right, Dan will be home soon, and then we're gonna figure out dinner. Hopefully, maybe a healthy option. We will see. So we just had dinner. We ended up ordering kava, so not too bad. I got like a grilled chicken bowl. Now, it's time for my treat. And I have been getting a few options for like lower calorie desserts. I got these. I've had one of them and pretty freaking good. Yasso Greek yogurt bars. 100 calories per bar, black raspberry chip. It's very satisfying. Boom. It's basically like frozen yogurt bar, but it tastes really great. I really like the texture. So this is my little treat. Now we're going to bed for the night, so I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. I'm all dressed and ready for the day, and I'm gonna film what I do. Let's see what that is. I have no idea. Me and Dan met up with some friends at Los Tacos Numero Uno, my favorite quick lunch. Then later that night, I met up with a friend and got some drinks before we went to dinner at Ruby's. The next day, we went shopping in Soho. The Staud store is stunning. We got brunch at the egg shop. It was actually delicious. We got a breakfast burrito, breakfast tacos, truffle hash browns. We split it all, and it was so amazing. Then we went to the MoMA design store. Shopped around here, very cool little trinket store if you're looking for a little New York memento. Went to the Frankie shop. Look how freaking huge this blazer is. We stayed out so long that we ended up getting drinks. Anything with passion fruit, I'm down for. This passion fruit drink at Cell Rose is so good. The next day we got bagels, took Brooks and Dan and my friend to the Central Park. Brooks was a little cold, but we spent the day there. It was lovely. Came home, had Indian for dinner, and that was the night.